What is going on, everyone, and welcome to Kart 6T3. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by. First things first, if you didn't mind hitting a like on this video sometime during it, that would be sweet. Super sweet. Like, awesome type of sweet. And if you're new here and you like this content, please consider subscribing. I really do appreciate every single one of you that watches my videos, that subscribes to the channel, the whole 9 yards. I try and do my best to point you all in the right direction at all times. Doesn't mean I'm always right, but I always try. Okay, helping your competition. It's essentially what this channel is, isn't it? Okay, why would one help your competition? I know this is a bugaboo with some people. I know some people probably watch this channel and just like, Ben, shut up. You're giving away all the secrets, or at least some of the secrets. You're evening the playing field. You know, how dare you? My cart owner is probably one of those guys that is just like, you know, if you go ahead and give everybody all your knowledge, you're not going to have an advantage over them. And I think it's me. It's personal for me. I don't care. The faster I make you, the higher the bar is raised, the faster I need to. If I say something to you at track, on here, whatever it is, and I raise the bar, I made you quicker, that raises, that tells me that I need to be faster. Just like, all right, they have hit this level, I need to go get that level. Now, does it suck sometimes when you give out a little bit of information and then next thing you know, they're beating you? Might be, but I think it's all in, you know, what is that NASCAR term? Frenemies. My competition isn't my enemy per se. But they are an obstacle I need to beat, and I truly believe that it's in the theory of sportsmanship that I do this channel, that I do the things that I do behind the scenes. When you guys send me messages, I try and point you in the right direction. You know, sometimes this is to my competitors, but that's, I think, where my basis comes from, is the roots of UAS racing, Unlimited All-Stars. Integrity is one of the mottos. I believe that at any UAS event, there is a really good chance that if you break a motor mount, if you fry a clutch, if you need a piece of hose, if you're just out to lunch on tires, if you go to some of your competition, they are going to help you. I have been helped. I have helped other people. When people reach out, just this morning, somebody asked me some carburetor settings, you know, a good starting point of, you know, where I would go, or where I'm going to start for the day, and I'm willingly, this is where I'm going to start. This is, you know, nobody can drive my cart. I'm sure that I'm going to, you know, I would have a hard time driving somebody else's cart. Their setups are different. Their tires are different. Percentages, everything, the way they set up that cart is different. But in general, I enjoy helping people. That's, you know, obviously, it's pretty apparent, considering that this channel does just that, is helping people. So, you know, help your competition can only raise the bar in my mind. Now, I know that it's not cutthroat. There's not, you know, $10,000 online. If there were $10,000 online and I was one of the faster people, you might see me start to go, you could try that. You could try that, but I'm never knowingly going to tell you the wrong thing to point you in the right direction. I think that's devious. I don't like it. I've heard of that. It's happened to me. Not in a really bad way, but I don't know if you've experienced this or not. So you go to a track and say you don't have live timing, you know, right at your graphs. If your race monitor isn't showing, if they haven't turned it on yet, and then people go out for practice or whatever, and then they're just like, oh, so-and-so is running a 13.1, and you're just like, whoa. You know, I'm way off the pace. I'm running a 15-something. And then you go up to somebody else like, man, I think I'm way off the pace. And they're just like, why, what times you running? So I ran a 15. They're like, well, I ran a 15.5, and I run here all the time. And they're fibbing to you. That exact circumstance has happened to me. Now, I would never do that. I get why they're doing that. Either A, to mess with you because it's kind of funny, or B, to get in your head to make you unsure of how fast you actually are. And I totally understand it. That is a competition. That is race warfare, if you will. I just don't do it. I may be like, you're pretty close. I'd say you're within the realm. But I'm always going to assist you in trying to be a little better because I think it raises my potential. If I'm racing a whole bunch of people that don't know what they're doing, what is the sense in winning? Oh, great, I got another trophy. I got another victory. Oh, look at me. Look at how many wins I have. Well, you beat people that were slower. If you what is the term? All tides raise all ships, or what? I don't even know how to say it. Anyway, if the water rises, it raises all ships. It brings everybody up to that level, and then it's mano y mano, you versus the people there. Nobody is lacking in any information that you don't have, type of thing. Who is the better driver? Who has the better equipment? Who did the best setup? Who had the best tires? I like that. I like that form of competition. So when it comes to helping your competition, I always try to do the best I can. Doesn't mean I'm going to give you everything I have. No, but I'm going to point you in the right direction to help you get better, therefore making myself better. So I'm just about to head out for the Grand Nationals here in a very short bit here. All right, guys, we're going to the Grand Nationals here. Well, by the time you see this, the Grand Nationals will have happened. Weather looks fantastic. Hopefully, I'm, driving back when this, or getting ready to drive back when this video launches on Sunday. I got to do these ahead of time, so I hope everything went well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.